Hello, hello, hello. Christine Trainer here, talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. How are all you doing? Forgive me for the sunglasses, but they're not sunglasses, they're prescribed glasses that shade in the sun so I can't see. Anyways, welcome to my channel, my lovely friends. As I continue on my tips and strategies in online marketing, and which I have amassed a variety of wonderful tips and strategies this past 2 years. I've been digital marketing as well as an entrepreneur. Now, you might be new to my channel, so I'll give you a quick skinny why I became an online marketer and been doing it for the past 2 years. Well, I what you call from the college of life, where I had a variety of jobs past over 30 years. Basically, McDonald's, Orange Julius, worked in a jewelry store, worked in a department store called Army Navy in Vancouver. I worked in a gift shop as well. I became a caregiver for about 6 kids for a few years as well. You know what I also did? I worked in a sheet metal shop as a sheet metal worker. That was fun. But the one I really enjoyed the most, which was the latter part, was when I became worked in an office with my sister Vicky in Weston, Vancouver, and I became into direct marketing. I worked online direct marketing. That's why I had the taste of that. I enjoyed that, my lovely friends. Wow, did I enjoy that. And I did it for a few years with her, and then of course I moved on. I had a variety of other jobs, but I really have felt the taste. I want to get back to it because I wasn't earning a whole lot of income offline, so I decided to go back to it 2 years ago when I was 58. I took the bull by the horn, sold some jewelry, got started, and I have been doing it ever since this past 2 years. Now I've had a variety of failures because I've had some good income I started to earn, but you know what? I really enjoyed it because it was the freedom I had to work at home, especially if you have some health issues, to enjoy the time I can have with my family and friends, to go on holidays when I wanted to. It was just the enjoyment of working online, which is fantastic. But I always encountered some issues in time when I was working online. So in the next segment, my lovely friends, I'm going to share with you 3 basic main issues that people can encounter when they start to earn an income online. And it can be hard, it can be daunting. So I thought I'd share with you with that. So stick to the end, to my next segment. I have some information as well as proof for you. It's going to be a good one. So my lovely friends, let's get on to the next segment, shall we? Hello, my lovely friends. I'm back. Okay, you like it? I'm gonna go to Hawaii when things settle down. I'm gonna go to Hawaii. Yes, that is my goal. So, as I shared in the intro, I'm going to talk to you about 3 main issues people may encounter when they start to earn online. And the first one is, which is basically like the shiny objects, and people go, they see a program, the program basically says, when you sign up now, you're going to start to earn in a day or two, you know. And that's what people get excited about because they see the idea that can earn income right away. It doesn't happen, my friends, but that's what people see. They see the shiny object syndrome, and the first thing they do is, wow, I'm going to start to earn right away. And it's basically false promises. These programs, you just want to sign up people, get them started. And so you go from program to program to program, finding which one is going to start you to earn an income right away. And basically, that's one of the issues people have. And the second one is, basically, you start to develop, it takes a while to develop needed skills, a variety, whatever program you're in, right? It doesn't happen overnight, but people, when it takes time, it takes effort. Either you have to learn how to do a funnel, you have to understand your back office, you have to learn some decent trainings, you have to learn how to influence, how to recruit people. It can be a daunting task. It may take a while. In the meantime, you're not earning a lick of money, you're not earning any income while trying to learn the necessary skills. And that can be one of the worst issues as well, right? Because you're training and you're losing money at the same time and you're not making any money. Mm-hmm. That can be really daunting. It can be a daunting task just to try to earn an income while you're working online, trying to learn some stuff, and you're not doing anything, right? And the third one is your traffic. That you might be in a program where you're buying traffic, right? So what happens is the traffic never converts a lick of dime. You never make any money. And you end up going from program to program, finding a program that the traffic is going to convert. Either the paid traffic doesn't convert, or even you're out cold calling and that like organic traffic doesn't work. Nothing is working for you. You're not making any income. And that's one of the, I think that is a bad issue when you're working online, right? I would say so, because the more money you pay for traffic, the more money you're losing, and then you're not making any money, and then you start to have issues. So to me, those are the 3 main issues, when you start a program and there's false promises, Secondly, when you start to develop needed skills and it takes too long, you're not making any income. And thirdly, when traffic doesn't really convert and you start. And then what happens, a person just quits after a month. Basically, that's what happens because you're not making any money. Because as I'm learning, you know, basically a person can maybe make, after a year or so, maybe make only $500 online because those are the main issues they are encountering. For me, that's what happened. I basically got to a program I thought I was going to make a bit of money, and it was false promises. I never made any money. I'm still in that program because it's nice. I love the people. Secondly, I really had to learn a lot of training, and I was training and training and training and training, boot camps and training and videos and webinars, and I still wasn't earning any income, and I was training like crazy. And thirdly, I had traffic in this last program, and I wasn't making any money on this paid traffic. I think I spent a bit of money on it, and I never made any money. So these are the three main issues I actually did encounter. I wasn't making any money. I went into a program that gave me false promises because I had that shiny object syndrome and wasn't making any money. Secondly, I was doing so much training and wasn't making any money off it. Wasn't making any money while learning how to understand because I was training and training and it was taking too long and I wasn't making any money. And thirdly, I was buying traffic because basically, you know, in online business, of course, traffic is your lifeblood, but I wasn't making any money off it. It was just terrible. It was driving me batty. I wasn't making any money. So I was losing because I think the past 2 years, I think I lost over $10,000 in income because I didn't make any more than maybe $300 in total this past 2 years. But I tell you, the bright side is, a few months ago, when I was thinking I was just going to quit completely, I didn't, because a program came my way called Successful Solution Method by Amanda Rai, a beautiful six-figure earner, a coach, and a mentor. And she shares with you, and she created this program for people like myself who were struggling online, who were having too many issues trying to earn an income online. And what I love about this program, it's a task-based educational program, which means you are doing, through her trainings, tasks on a daily basis. You have them in a spreadsheet and you check them off and you do them every single day because they're income producing activities. I love this because they are activities you're doing on a daily basis to help you produce some decent income producing activities. Excellent, right? And you start to earn a residual income while you learning what you need to do to build your business online. So I've actually earned some income from this, pretty decent income the past 4 months that I've been doing it online. And I wanted to share that with you today. I'm going to share with you my PayPal account, the income that I've been earning through Amanda Rai's beautiful program, Successful Solution Method. Let's carry on to my PayPal account. I want to share that with you, my lovely friends. Let's start my screen share over here. So this is my PayPal account. Okay, I wanted to share that with you today because I earn my income because my business is through PayPal. They also have Stripe, but since I'm a Canadian member, I do PayPal, and it's wonderful. I earn consistently on a daily basis because I do the daily tasks. I earn a residual income from them. Plus, I do believe we have pre-qualified leads, which are much more phenomenal because, like I said before, traffic is the lifeblood of online, and I earn an income through that as well. This is a phenomenal program. It's a basically amazing program that she teaches you ABC step by step how to earn an income online. So let me share my activity right now. I just want to show that to you, my lovely friends. Zoom is a little slow, so forgive me for that. I'll just move myself up a bit here like this. I'm going to share with you the past, well, it's over 90 days because I've been there over 4 months. Now here's the income I've been steadily earning. Okay, I started earning in, oops, quite a bit here. Oh, it's still going down because it's quite a bit here because I said 220. There we go. Okay, I started earning June 27th was that first amount, 350. She's payments received. Sorry, guys. Because I'm Canadian, it converts into Canadian. Here we go. Let's start at the very beginning. June 27th, 350. July 3rd, 250. July 17th, 450. July 24th, 200. August 1st, 500. August 14th, 550. August 22nd, 200. It was a good month. August 29th, 450, September the 11th, 315, September 19th, 600, and of course, October 4th, which is 550. All told, that is $4,265.56. And to me, that's a phenomenal amount of income I've earned through Successful Solution Method, a task-based educational program that teaches the fundamentals, the ABCs, step-by-step, baby steps of how to, shall we say, build your business online the right way with Amanda Rye and her wonderful coaches that are helping you as well. So I wanted to share that with you today, my lovely friends. This is a phenomenal, and I wanted to give you this proof that this system does work. Successful Solution Method. Let's stop my share. Okie dokie. That's it in a nutshell, my lovely friends. This is the value I hope that you got from this today. Down below in my description, I have the link to Successful Solution Method, a phenomenal, beautiful program that if you want to learn how to build your business online and earn while you're learning and start to build, this is a program for you. I have the link down below. Be a part of a wonderful movement of the Successful Solution Method as well. I have the Facebook group as well. Link down below. Come be a part. Learn all about it. I think we have over 7,000, almost 8,000 members in this group as well. It's amazing because I know right now we have up 1,100 members and growing in Successful Solution Method. And I do believe this past 4 months, we now amassed over $435,000 in payouts to all our members. So that's a phenomenal, wonderful platform. And if you're curious about me, want to know more about me, and you're curious about the program as well, I have my Facebook link as well, page link as well. Pop on over, say hello. And if you want to know more information, you want to chat with me, I have left my cell phone number. Send me a text, chat with me, and I'll give you some more information as well too. So my lovely friends, I hope this gave you value. Don't forget to love and comment on my video if you're new to my channel. Subscribe. I have many more tips and strategies, online marketing to share with you as well. Click the bell below for the next notification of my next video as well. That's coming up real soon as well, my lovely friends. I love you all. I'll see you on the other side to success. Bye.